Hello, Facebook. Okay, I tagged the folks in this drawing who earned an entry. And remember, for the drawing, it was for the share video the other night whenever I was doing my makeup. And you were able to earn up to 10 entries into the drawing. So I've got the list here. And while I wait a minute for people to hop on, go ahead and say hi whenever you hop on. Just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm doing something cry today. I have all these supplies here I'm going to show you. I have a 40 volume developer, a 10 volume developer, and I want to tell y'all right now, hey Brianna, Alicia, and Wai. Hey Val and Tammy and Becky, yay. Okay, so these are 2 for $7 right now at Sally's. So if y'all do your own hair at home, 2 for $7 on these is an amazing deal because normally they're $6 each. And this is the 32-ounce developer, and they have everything from 10 to 40 volume, okay? So yay! Hey Kim! Yay, yay, yay! Thanks for tuning in. And then I've got here 2 colors, and I mixed these together. So this is Age Beautiful, and the reason I like it is because it's guaranteed gray coverage, which also works well for blonde hair. Hey Carrie, how are you, darling? And I've got 1B, which is blue black, and 3B, which is darkest blue. So what I do here, y'all, I do half an ounce, which half a liquid ounce, into my bowl per color. So that equals 1 ounce. And then I use on this 1 ounce of 10 volume developer because it is a 1-to-1 ratio. Hey Heather, thanks for tuning in. So my hair, a majority of it is going to be black with a blue hue. Hey Amber, how are you, darling? So the other thing that I'm doing, and this is why I have 10 volume, which is deposit only. This is going to be very exciting. I am bleaching chunks of my hair. Hey Janetta, how are you? Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, I don't wear my glasses like all the time whenever I'm doing videos because I've got to be able to put makeup on, but since I haven't done that yet today, I have my glasses on. So I'm bleaching chunks of my hair, and then I'm gonna have poppin' purple, whoops, here we go, poppin' purple and indigo blue chunks. So I'm very excited, and so that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a lot of fun. So that is what I want to show y'all. And I've got my aluminum foil. I'm going to be cutting into strips. So I don't know. I may make a video to give you guys some at-home hair tutorials too. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But if y'all haven't found my YouTube channel, you should. Just type in my name on YouTube, or if you do YouTube, hashtag TerryJean12580 ABLE. Terry Jean 12580 ABLE. That'd be amazing. Hey Christian, how are you? Okay, so I know what you guys are waiting for. Me to fill this empty bowl with some names and do a drawing. So what I'm going to do is I've got all the names here. I've got the list, and it's pre-cut. And I started doing this the old-fashioned way because on the Wheel of Fortune, you can only enter a certain amount of names, and this way everybody who enters gets all their names into the drawing, okay? So I am going to cut those names into the bowl, and hey Talia, how are you? Work, 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 work. Mama gotta work, 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 work. I saw this funny meme this morning. Just gonna cut these while I tell you all about this. And it said, it was like me, I don't want to go to work. And then it said, bills, bitch, you better have my money. So yeah, I was like, yep, that's me. Mama got to work, 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 work. Okay, so I'm cutting these into the bowl. So they are all here. And like I said, I tagged everybody who earned an entry into the drawing. And if y'all haven't followed my page yet here on Facebook, be sure to click over to my profile and click follow, because I do like to do share giveaways. I've also got a beauty group on my business page that I'm trying to get up and going, and that is just the Airbrush Makeup Lady Tutorials group. So if you want to add your friends there, yes. Oh, thanks for sharing. Yes, you're in the drawing, Becky. Yeah, Story of My Life, the show. Thanks for sharing, you guys. So yeah, if y'all want to find that Airbrush Makeup Lady beauty group, anybody can be in that group. And then I did update the description for my VIP club. What I do, and not everybody does the same, but what I do is people in my VIP club are like people who have actually made a purchase from my website or from me in person at like a vendor event. And the reason I do that is because I do special things for the folks in my VIP club. Like they get, you know, special hostess awards. They get, you know, special discounts. Sometimes I do bulk orders for them. So if you want to be in my VIP club, make an order from airbrushmakeuplady.com. And yay, thanks for sharing, Tammy. So yeah, if you want to be in there, make a, you know, place an order. If you just want like some tips and tricks and tutorials and a fun place to hang out, check out the Airbrush Makeup Lady tutorials group, which is on my page. And be sure to like my page and be sure to find me on YouTube. So here we go. The moment you've all been waiting for. The first name I draw is going to get to pick their prize. And that is because a lot of the people that shared my video already have a Nude and Naughty palette. So I figured I'd give them a chance to grab a bamboo polish if they won, okay? Hey, Amanda, how are you this morning? And then the second name I draw will get whatever the first person does not win. Okay, I've got one right here in my hand. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, my gosh. It is Christian Power. So, Christian, thank you for tuning in. Let me know if you want the Nude and Naughty palette or if you want the bamboo polish, and I will get it in the mail for you, darling. Okay, let's see here. You need a Nude and Naughty or the bamboo polish? Order it. I know, but Talia, you get your you know, you get your instant commission, girl, because you're a consultant. So yeah, if anyone has questions about being a consultant, you need to message me. Or your friend who's already a consultant. Hey, Jerry, thanks for hopping on. And I'm drawing a second name here. And we did this morning just launch a promotion on our customer system kit. Okay, customer system kit is $119.95. So you get 2 shades of foundation. You get primer, moisturizer. You get your moisturizer, primer, blush, bronzer, and glow. And if you would like to be color matched, all you got to do is send me a nude selfie. Makeup, no makeup. So a nude face selfie. I don't want to see y'all's tatas or hoo-hoos. None of that stuff. And Christian says she wants to bamboo polish. And so I will say this. If I draw Christian's name again, I'm going to draw another name before I do that. And I've got one in my hand. And let's see who it is. It's Dallas. So Dallas, Diane Shelton, darling, you are going to get the Nude and Naughty palette. So congratulations, ladies. I will have those to y'all ASAP. And like I said, if y'all have any questions about getting a customer system, you can make payments. You can get the whole system with all the makeup, your compressor. There are 4 colors to choose from, and it's only a first payment of $20. And then we bill you for, I think it's $32, $33 or something right now because it's marked down to $119.95. Or you can pay in full. And yay! So let us know if you have any questions. Find your Airess artist. If you don't have one, hello, I'm here. I'm Terry. I will take care of you. Airbrushmakeuplady.com. And I will talk to y'all soon. I'm going to go do this crazy stuff on my hair, which Talia would probably slap me if she were here with me because she is a hairstylist. And she's going to say, Terry, why are you doing this all yourself? And it's because I can. So, okay, I love you guys. Send me a message if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Bye.